Hello there, welcome to At Home with the Kids
Summer Edition.
My name is Kimberly and this is my amazing daughter Charis.
This is our last episode of At Home with the Kids Summer Edition. We have loved being with you all summer long.
Will you write in the comments below this video what has been your favorite episode of At Home with the Kids Summer Edition? We'd like to know.
Did you like baking with us?
Did you have fun playing games with us?
How about story time?
Did you have fun coloring Austin's trip to the zoo or doing the word search?
Did you put others first?
Have you been watching the sprouts grow in your life and celebrating your wins?
Wow, we have done so much together on At Home with the Kids Summer Edition. While this is our last episode, we will still be here for you. You can stay connected through Austin's Kids Club.
Are you signed up as an Austin's Kids Club friend? We would love for you to if you aren't. You can receive free mail from Austin the Hedgehog every month with your name on it straight to your mailbox.
Quick link is in the show notes below. If you are not already back to school, you are getting ready to go back to school this coming week. We want to help you have the best school year yet. So let's talk about a few back to school tips.
Let's talk about how you can be a good friend at school. Charis, how can you be a good friend at school?
You can be a good friend at school by putting others first.
Well, what are some of the ways that you could put others first?
You can let them go ahead of you. Help them if they drop a book, trip, or fall. Give them a hand if they are carrying something heavy. Work quietly at your desk so that they are not distracted. Say kind, encouraging words to them. Smile and wave to them lots. Air high fives. I can pray for my friends.
Those are really great suggestions. How can you be a good student for your teacher? What do you think, Charis?
You can listen to your teacher and smile at them. When you feel the need to jiggle, quietly tap your toe instead. Follow directions right away, the first time they ask. This really helps your teacher and helps the day go smoother for everyone. Keep a good attitude when things are challenging. Practice, study. Ask questions when you don't understand. And come prepared for class. Remember your paper and pencil.
Remember that your choices, your behavior, and a bad attitude affects everyone. Your teacher, your classmates, your friends, and you. If you're noisy, if you're distracting, or if you're being a little bit silly, that can make learning harder for everyone. And remember that if you can keep an I can do this attitude, even when it's a little challenging, that will make learning so much better.
What do you do if someone says something mean, hurts your feeling, teases you, or laughs at you?
Good question, Charis. You can say, no thank you, I don't receive that. We're going to look at the I Am Loved journal at page 66 and 67, where we talk a little bit more about saying, no thank you, I don't receive that. I don't receive that means that you will not make an agreement with the hurtful things that someone has said. You choose not to believe it.
It's just like the water that runs off a duck's back in the rain. Let their unkind words, teasing, or criticism roll off your back. Don't believe it. No, thank you. I don't receive that.
Go to your Declarations Treasures on pages 24 to 29 in your I Am Loved journal. Remind yourself of who you are, the truth about who you are, and say those things again and again. Don't believe the lies or the things that someone speaks out of frustration or criticism or teasing. Know who you are and remind yourself of that truth every day. You can say those declaration treasures in front of the mirror. You can say it when you're getting ready for school, brushing your hair, or on your way to the bus.
If someone says something mean to you at school, you can choose to forgive them.
That's right. You can learn more about forgiveness in the I Am Loved journal on pages 68 to 71.
You may want to stay angry at them or be mean back to them. Maybe you want to talk about them to others, but staying angry with them only hurts you. You can choose to forgive them, to let go of the hurt.
Say out loud, I forgive you, and then say their name, and then say how they hurt you. Then say, I release you, meaning I won't stay angry with you anymore. I bless you, meaning I still count you as a friend. I am at peace with you. If you need to, ask your mom or dad to help you with this.
Now choose not to remember this hurt again by not thinking about it again and again in your head. Don't keep a record of wrongs.
Do you need to go to the person that hurt you to make things right? You could say to them, I know that you didn't mean to hurt me or to hurt my feelings when you said this, and then repeat how they hurt you. I would like to still be friends instead of being upset with each other. Let's show them an example. Let's say, for instance, Charis made fun of my gray shirt, and it hurt my feelings. And I said to her, Charis, I know that you didn't mean to hurt my feelings when you said that I looked ugly in my gray sweater with rainbow polka dotted sparkles.
Speckles.
Speckles. But it really hurt my feelings. I don't want to stay angry with you. I want to stay friends. Sometimes they don't know that they hurt our feelings, but it's important for us to talk about it or we'll stay angry with them.
Remember that if you hurt someone with your words or actions, be sure to make it right away. Say, please forgive me. Tell how you hurt them. I was wrong. Will you forgive me?
So, Charis, let's show them an example. What does that sound like talking about my gray shirt?
Please forgive me, Mommy, for making fun of your gray shirt. I was wrong. You really do look beautiful in it.
I forgive you, Charis. I bless you and I release you. What a good friend you are when you are sensitive to others and quick to make things right and to keep good friendships.
We care about you so much. We hope that you have a wonderful school year. You are diligent.
You are faithful. You stick to the task until it is finished.
You help others.
You keep a positive attitude and you are resilient.
That's it, friends. While this is our last episode of Adam with the Kids Summer Edition, we will still be here for you.
You can stay connected. We want to stay connected with you through Austin's Kids Club. So remember to sign up as Austin's Kids Club friend to receive your mail every month.
The quick link is in the show notes below.
That's right. Have an amazing school year.
Bye.